Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install secure VPN safe internet on your smartphone. If you use iPhone, then go to App Store. If you use Android, then go to Google Play Store. So I brought the Play Store app on my home page. So simply tap on the Play Store application and then tap the search box and tap the word secure VPN safe internet and then enter. So this one safer internet, secure VPN safer internet. So simply tap here install button and you'll see there are a lot of countries you can choose, and also there is a premium version. So simply tap on install button. It takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful. So thank you for watching.